Absolutely. Small bathrooms can look luxurious because luxury is not necessarily a matter of size, it's more a matter of details. So the easiest way for you to upgrade your bathroom, give it a new feel, a more high-end feel to your bathroom, is to update the lighting, for example. And you could choose wall light to substitute the bar light above the mirror, for example. You can also update the hardware. That brings a whole new look instantly to the bathroom. And another option would be to adopt a new color scheme. Grey is usually really good because it's very soothing, it's very classic, and it goes very well with the chrome fixtures that everyone has in their bathrooms. I personally like to go for a monochromatic color scheme and also add some crisp white towels to the bathroom, so it gives that spa feel, because whenever you go to a spa you don't see colorful towels, you always see white, fresh, clean towels. So if you use the same technique, you get the spa luxurious feel as well.